Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this round net, or you can call it all round net. So this type of net, you can use it for low cut wig. It's very nice when it comes to making low cut wig, because it's going to make it look like lighter and more matured. And I want to also thank you guys for being patient with me and supporting me all this while. So guys, I've made a tutorial where I show you guys how to know the original sewing net. So I'm using the dome type of cap. I'm going to be showing you how to know the front and the back of a dome cap. So where you are seeing a bold line, as you can see on the screen now, is the front, while the one that come together is the back part, as you can see on the screen. So guys, the next thing you should do is to wear the dome cap on the head of your dummy. Then arrange it very well. So guys, you need a tip-in for this. A tip-in will help you to hold your cap very tight on the dummy head. So now I'm going in for my net. I'm just going to place the net on the cap. Then at the back, I will hold the net together. Do not make it to be too tight. Just release your hand a little bit, unless you want to attach elastic band at the back after you made it. So the next thing I'll do now is to use my T-pin to secure it at the back. Then I'm going to use same pin to do that at the body of the net. So you hold the center as well. Use your T-pin to secure it. Make sure you are leaving space before you pin it. Don't make it too tight on the dummy head. When I'm done, I will go ahead and use my scissors to trim off the excesses at the back. Then the next thing now is to start sewing. So I have my needle and thread. I'm going to start where I pin down, then sew it up. After sewing it up, I'm going to go ahead and trim again. Then after the trimming, I'm going to sew it for the final time. And the back is ready. guys, when I'm done with the back, I'll now start sewing on the elastic of the dome cap. Just watch on the screen to see what I'm doing. So you are sewing the dome cap and your net together. Just leave a little space because you don't need the bold elastic. You just want your wig to look natural. All right. So you are going to follow this step and sew it around. If you want to add a part to your wig, that means you are going to leave a space for that. Watch this video, you understand better. So guys, when I'm done with the sewing, I'm going to go ahead and remove the cap, then turn the back. What I'll do is to cut off the black net inside. After cutting it off, just cut the main part, then gradually trim off the elastic from the net. After you do this, your all net wig cap is ready. Guys, you need to try this cap because it's very, very beautiful. It will make the low cuts to be so flat on your head. So guys, if you have watched to this extent, kudos to you. Thank you so much. May God bless you. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and support me in your own little way. Wait, like I told you, please do not skip the adverts. Remember, that is where we make our money. To support me, to support my children, leave the video and watch from the beginning to the end. Remember also to share it to your family and friends. Thank you so much. Remain blessed. See you on my next video. Bye.